Hello and welcome to Ace the English Hub. Today I am here with the last part of kinds of adjectives. In this session, we discuss interrogative adjectives, exclamatory adjectives, epithet adjectives, compound participial adjectives. Coming to the first one, that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are words that modify nouns by asking questions. They are also called interrogative determiners. Interrogative adjectives include the words what, which, and whose. Now let's see the uses of what, which, and whose. What is used when the amount of possible answers is unknown or limited, whereas which is used when we either know how many choices there are or when we consider the options to be more limited. Whose denotes possession or belonging. It can be used to ask who the owner of an object is. Now let's see the position of interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives appear at the beginning in direct questions, but they appear in the middle of the sentence in indirect questions. Interrogative adjectives are sometimes used in other statements that aren't questions at all. They don't ask questions directly or indirectly, but still modify the nouns in the same kind of way. What is the difference between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns? Let's see. If the question word is immediately followed by the noun, it is called interrogative adjectives. If the question word is not immediately followed by the noun but by the verb, it is called interrogative pronoun. In other words, interrogative adjectives modify nouns, whereas interrogative pronouns stand in place of nouns. All interrogative adjectives are question words, but all question words are not interrogative adjectives. Now let's see the difference between whose and whose. Whose is an interrogative adjective as well as an interrogative pronoun, whereas whose is the contraction of who is. Exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives are used to modify the nouns, thereby indicating strong emotions. The question word what is used to express strong emotions, and such a sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now let's see the uses of what. When what is used with singular nouns, it takes the form what plus a or an plus adjective plus noun. When what is used with plural nouns, it takes the form what plus adjective plus noun. When what is used with collective nouns, it takes the form what plus collective noun plus of plus adjective plus plural noun. When what is used with verb, it takes the form what plus a or an plus adjective plus subject plus verb. Sometimes in place of what, how is also used to express strong emotions. When how is used with adjective, it takes the form how plus adjective. And it also has another form how plus adjective plus subject plus verb when it is used with verb. Epithet adjectives. Epithet adjectives are those in which nouns function as adjectives. Nouns are used in place of adjectives to describe other nouns. Compound participial adjectives. Compound participial adjectives are compound adjectives consisting of a present or past participle describing the noun. Now let's go through an example. One day Raju and Radha were playing in the garden. Suddenly they saw something moving on the grass. They both went near and saw a multicolored creature crawling on the grass. Radha was surprised and asked, Raju, what creature is this? I think it is a caterpillar. It will soon turn into a beautiful butterfly. But the poisonous gas from the nearby factory is a real threat to the lives of these creatures, said Raju. Radha sadly exclaimed, What a pity! In the example, multicolored is the compound participial adjective. What in the phrase what creature is the interrogative adjective. Rubber factory is the epithet adjective. And what in the phrase what a is the exclamatory adjective. That's all for today. We'll meet you next week with confusing adjectives.